Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a few unboxings to go through. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages to go through. So it's going to be a little bit of a longer video today, but I've got some very interesting and cool things to showcase. And there's also going to be another giveaway announced at the end of today's video. So please stick around to the end. First of all, let's get the candle lit. For those of you that missed my last video, I've made my backdrop a little bit more Christmassy now. I've added a candle. I've got Santa in the back there. And I've even got a Christmas tree. So there we go. That all adds to the festive feeling of today's setup. Now, before we get into the video, I want to show you my empty tubes that I picked up. For those of you that are on Stacker Social will know that there's been a challenge set by Silver Digger to start in 2025 in January next year, and that is to fill a tube of your choice. Now, it doesn't have to be a tube of Britannias or a tube of Sovereigns. It could literally be a tube of anything. You could have a mixed tube. You could have a tube that has mixed 1 ounce silver coins, mixed gold coins, whatever you want to stack. There's no pressure. It's all based around your budget and what you want to collect throughout the year of 2025. Now, I picked up 2 tubes. I think I'm going to start collecting peace dollars because I've got quite a few of them. You've probably seen them in the back of my videos. And I've got 5 that I have on display. These have got some really nice toning to them, but I've also got a couple more, I think, in storage somewhere. So I've got a miniature collection already of peace dollars, and they're one of my favorite constitutional pieces of silver. So that is why I've decided that will be my goal in 2025, and I've already got a little bit of a head start with these ones here. Like I said, we've got 5 here. So we'll pop those in that tube, and then we'll officially start the challenge next year with this empty tube, and we'll see if we can fill it throughout the course of the year. So we'll add those to the backdrop over there. So yeah, if you want to get involved in that, head over to Stacker Social. There's a separate room in there called Fill a Tube Challenge 2025. So post pictures of the tubes that you've got, your empty tubes, and it'll be really cool to see which coin you choose to stack. It doesn't have to be a coin, it could be a bar. Some people are getting boxes and they're going to fill some kind of shoe boxes with silver. So it really kind of is a flexible challenge. It's just a way to keep everyone motivated and stacking in 2025. So let's get straight into today's video, and we'll start with, let's start with this one right here. Now, some of these I've already taken out of the outer packaging because they were delivered to my home address. Save trying to blur it or cover up the address. I just unpackaged the first layer. I've got some really cool pieces to show today. Now, this is actually from 1920, I believe, and this is made out of copper. Apparently it's a really rare and hard to come by piece. You don't often see them, but you can see it's a copper ashtray. I'm quite tempted to try and clean it up, but at the same time I don't want to damage its kind of rustic feel. But the reason I've got this is because Marinade sent me a cigar across to try, and like I said in my last video, I don't actually smoke, so I haven't even got an ashtray. So I thought it'd be quite cool to pick up something a little bit different, and I stumbled across this copper ashtray from 1920. So that will be used when I film the video of me trying a cigar for the first time. I have actually been YouTubing how to do it, so I've got a rough idea now of how to smoke a cigar, and thanks to those of you that left comments in my last video with advice on how to do it also. Now, I believe this is also something to do with that cigar as well, and again, these are things that I don't have because I've never actually smoked a cigar before. And this is something, I don't know what it's called, cigar cutter is it? Basically just to cut off the end of the cigar. I know you could do it with a knife or something like that, but I thought something like this is a cooler way to do it. You put the cigar in there and chop it off. So there we go. This was only, I think, £2 delivered. So didn't break the bank. This was, I think, £5 posted. So yeah, got a couple of little bits that I thought would look cool in that video when I get around to filming it. So there we go, cigar cutter, 1920s copper ashtray, adds to the copper stack at the same time, so it's a win-win. Next we're going to get into this one here, and again I think this is also following on the same theme as the other two pieces you've just seen. Yep, this is a lighter. Now I've read that you shouldn't use normal lighters because it taints the taste of a cigar, is that right? So I've got this one instead. I think it needs filling. Oh, there we go, this one needs filling. I thought it would come already filled, but it's not. So this is one of those powerful lighters. I'll have to get some gas to fill it. Let me know what the best type of gas is. How's that going there? Is that broken already? Oh no, that just clips on there. So yeah, that's quite cool. Thought it'd be something a little bit different to light it instead of using a regular lighter. So there we go. So that is the 3 pieces ready for my cigar video in the future. Next we've got something that I've already showcased on Stacker Social, but I haven't yet showcased it on this channel, and that is a PSA graded 10 Charizard. Now this is a fairly new one from 2023, but extremely nice looking card, and this is purely to go in my collection. At the moment these aren't selling for extortionate prices, but fast forward maybe 2-3 years, Charizard is always a very, very popular card, so this has potential to rise in value. As with all collectibles, it's a very speculative play when you pick up things like this. It's not like gold or silver that is tangible and it has some real value to it. You're really relying on someone that collects Pokemon cards to want to add this to the collection in the future. So that is to add to my Pokemon collection. I've had a few people reach out to me actually privately on Stacker Social and say that after they've seen my collection of Pokemon cards, they started looking into it themselves and they've built up a little bit of a collection. So that's really cool to hear. Next we've got, and I know this is from Sai, I've not opened, oh yeah, no, I did start opening it actually. This is from Sai, I recognise the handwriting on the front. I haven't read the note or anything, but I did start opening it. And then I thought actually I'll wait for a video. So let's have a look what Sai has sent across. Got a note here, it says 365, please find enclosed a beautiful deck of high Victorian playing cards. These were won by Tech the Coin Hunter on my live stream. He wanted to donate this to the Stacker Social giveaway chest, which is extremely kind of him. All the best, Sai the Soundman. So thank you very much, Sai, and especially a massive thank you to Tech for donating this. That's very, very kind of you to donate such a nice prize for the giveaway chest. I know these playing cards that Sai has been showcasing and giving away are very, very nice indeed. They have quite a large premium attached to them compared to your standard deck of cards, and this one in particular is sealed, still factory sealed, high Victorian green. Wow, that looks stunning. Look at that. Really, really nice deck of cards, and that is very, very kind of you, Tech, to actually put this forward for the Stacker Social giveaway chest. The giveaway chest has got quite a few bits in it now. I haven't done a giveaway for a while now on Stacker Social. I've had lots of things to post out, so I didn't want to add to that list until I'd caught up, and I've been to the post office today and posted out I think 10 items in total. So anything that people have asked for or I've said I'm going to send is on the way. I've also sent out my Secret Santa today as well. So yeah, now I'm back on track with everything that I had to post. We can start doing some giveaways. We've got lots of bits in here, lots of copper bits, some copper rounds, some copper bars. So we'll pop those back in there, and we now have a really, really nice deck of playing cards as well. So we'll put that in there, and like I said, at the end of today's video I will be announcing a giveaway, so stay tuned till the end. But yeah, thanks again, Sai, thanks again, Tech. Very, very kind of both of you to get those across for the chest. Now I've left the best till last, and this is something I've hinted about a couple of times on previous videos, and this is actually something I picked up from Backyard Bullion. I believe he was gifted it by a company to do a video on, and the moment I saw it I knew I had to add it to my collection. It's something really, really different, really unique, not something I've seen before. Already I can tell it's been wrapped extremely well. But yeah, as soon as I saw this piece, it was just something I thought, this is going to make a great video. It's going to look really, really cool in my collection. And I reached out to Backyard Bullion and I said to him, if you're thinking of selling that piece, I'd be very interested in picking it up from you and adding it to my collection. And that is what he has done. He has sold it to me. And I'm extremely excited to see this in the hand. This is something that will go in my deep stack. It contains a large premium, but it's something that long term I believe could do well, just because of how unique and different it is. And you can already see what it is. For those of you that follow Backyard Bullion here on YouTube, you would have already seen his video on this, and look at that. Absolutely incredible. Already the box looks absolutely stunning. You see it says Roulette on there. Really classy looking box. It's got a felt bottom to it as well. Wow, look at that. Let's just leave that there for a couple of seconds to appreciate it. Absolutely stunning looking box. Let's make a little bit of room from the back. We'll leave that there. We'll pop that in there. We'll put that over there to make a little bit more space. But yeah, look at that. Absolutely incredible looking box. Now when we open it, this is where the magic happens. Wow. Look at that. Now this is actually a roulette set. We've got a silver coin in the mix as well. And the presentation of this piece is actually incredible. This is the COA. You can see there it contains 3 ounces of silver in the silver coin. Got all the stats on there as well. 24 gold colouring on the coin. It's got an antique finish. You can see there's only 555 of these made, and this is number 260 out of 555. So a very low mintage for something that I think could be very popular. I'll be interested to know in the comment section if anyone else has picked one of these up after seeing Backyard Bullion's video on them. But these are actually the little, I'm not going to get these out now, but these are actually the little chip bits that you put when you're placing your bet on the roulette table there. I will get just one out just to show you. Look, there's a couple of them. They're just small plastic things that go on the actual table here. In the future, I like the idea of getting some fractional silver bits made up. Silver punk, maybe I'll be coming your way for those in the future. I think it'd be quite cool to actually have some silver versions of these that I can use when I'm placing bets and playing around with this piece. But yeah, absolutely incredible presentation. Pop those back in there so I don't lose them. But once you've actually got those out, they actually stick in this foam at the back. It's quite hard to see, but there's little cutouts here for them. So once they're all set along there, it looks really, really nice. But look at the presentation of this piece. Absolutely stunning. Really, really nice. Something you don't often see. Something very, very unusual. And you can already see why I had to pick it up and add it to my collection. Now this is the star of the show. This is the roulette wheel. And this is actually a silver coin. Wow, it feels very, very heavy in the hand. 3 ounces of silver. And then you obviously got these extra bits on here that add weight to it as well. But look at that. It's actually a working roulette wheel. You've got a ball in there as well. And you can spin it round. It's quite hard to do at this angle. And then that ball will stop somewhere on here. You can see it just fits into one of those grooves. But like I said, it's quite hard to showcase on this angle. I need to adjust the camera angle face down really to show you how this really works. But extremely cool piece. Really, really nice. Now I'm not going to take it out of the capsule. I know Backyard Bullion took it out of the capsule and he almost lost the miniature ball inside. But I'm going to leave it sealed in that capsule. But absolutely stunning piece. Really, really nice. You can see on this side here, this is where it shows that it's an actual coin because it's got a face value, $7 face value, 3/9 fine silver from Nui 2023. You've got the Nui coat of arms in the middle. So yeah, absolutely stunning piece, really, really unique. And you can see why I had to pick it up and add it to my collection. So there we go, that's today's video. Hope you found this video interesting. I will do a separate video in the future showcasing this piece in more detail and showcasing how the roulette ball coin thing actually works. But let's wrap up today's video, like I said, with a quick giveaway. Now this giveaway will be done on Stacker Social because it's using stuff from the giveaway chest. So please do head over to Stacker Social. If you're watching today's video and you're not a member of Stacker Social, it's a free Discord group. The link is in all of my video descriptions. It's a really fun place to be. It's filled with like-minded people that all have the same goals and interests and all want to better their future by investing. Now in today's video, we're going to make it a nice giveaway. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 5 pieces of copper. So this giveaway is a nice large giveaway to make up for me not doing a giveaway for a good couple of weeks now. So this giveaway is going to be for 5 pieces of copper. I'm going to screenshot that so that I remember which pieces I said that will be included in this giveaway. And like I said, head over to Stacker Social. There's a giveaway room in there. You've literally just got to click one button and you'll be entered. And the giveaway is automatic. So it's very fair. And whoever gets chosen, I will send all 5 of these copper pieces to them. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that giveaway. A nice 5 ounces of copper added to someone's stack to the winner. But as always, thanks very much for all the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you all have a very nice day.